What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have another Starbucks video for you guys. So I don't think I've tried this drink before. Like, I looked back in my old videos, not too crazy far, but like a little bit, and I didn't see it, so I don't think I tried it. And I saw this drink on TikTok and I really wanted to try it. So today we are going to be trying the cookies and cream Frappuccino. So I saw it on TikTok and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it. I love cookies and cream ice cream, so I'm like, if this tastes like it, it's gonna be the best. So I'm kind of nervous, but really excited about it. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below, video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Can I also get a tall vanilla bean with heavy cream?
Made with heavy cream. Do you want the whip on that?
Yes please. Can I also get Java chips in there and a pump of white mocha?
Java.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, so I have the Oreo Frappuccino right here. I got a tall vanilla bean cream Frappuccino with white mocha, heavy cream, and add Java chips. So apparently it tastes like cookies and cream. What is that glare on my face? Hold on, give me a second. I'm sorry. Better? Okay. No, not better. Whatever, forget it. I'm sorry, there's glare. It's gonna be glare. I'm so excited to try this. I've thought I've tried this before, but I actually haven't, which I was actually really surprised at. So we're gonna try it right now. I hope it's really good, because if it's not, I'm gonna cry. But here we go. Oh my god. That legit tastes like cookies and cream ice cream. Oh my god, this is insane. I didn't think it would be this good. I actually did not think it was gonna be this good and taste exactly like cookies and cream ice cream. This is insane. If you are obsessed with cookies and cream, or you like the ice cream, this is literally the drink for you. I'm not kidding at all. It is literally so good. It's like $4, I want to say. Oh, I think it's my windshield. That's because there's a crack in my windshield. Yep, that's what it is. But it's so good. It's totally worth it. I give it a 10 out of 10. Hannah recommend. It is fantastic. Fantastic. I honestly might finish this, or I should give it to my little sister, because I do have 2 other drinks down there. But it's so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. So, like I said, if you like cookies and cream, this is the drink for you. Totally worth it. So good. I actually might finish it myself just because it's so good. I love it. Oh my god, it's so good. That's all I have to say. It's amazing. Nothing bad to say about it. Literally, it tastes exactly what it is, which is awesome because you don't usually get that, not gonna lie. Some of the drinks really just don't taste like what they are, but this one does. So that's good. Thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.